Now I would like to go to my next guest. He is Mr. V. Rajendran. Mr. Rajendran is the patron of Vishwakarma Samudaya, Kottayama, Kerala, traditional artisan community of India. He is the former National Secretary of Rashtriya Raja Kamchari Mahasangh. He belongs to the traditional goldsmith community and he himself is a goldsmith. He is a renowned social worker and RTI activist. Welcome Mr. V. Rajendran on our show. Please unmute yourself. Mr. V. Rajendran, you have heard what Dr. Bose, Dr. Sankaran, as well as Mr. VP, Dr. VP Raghavan has mentioned. Now they have mentioned about the problems, about the status of the Vishwakarma community. According to all of them, the Vishwakarma community is next to the gods. They are the creators. But they have also mentioned that they are not getting what is supposed to be given to them, the respect, the money, many things. So now we would like to know the COVID-19 impact on traditional craft. Mr. V. Rajendran, please.
Thank you very much, sir, for inviting me to the conversation along with the distinguished personalities of Dr. Sri C.V. Anand Bose sir, Sankaran sir, and Dr. Raghavan sir. I thank you very much. This discussion is conducting on the day of Hiroshima. I belongs to the Vishwakarma community. God Vishwakarma, he is not an artisan. We always praying before him as Om Sri Virat Vishwakarmeshaya Nama. It is our mantra. Vishwakarma are the whole makers of this universe, not only in India, but we consider that Vishwakarma community is the creators of the whole universe. In Indus Valley civilization, we know Sir John Marshall has excavated in 1922. Then he found their 3-storied building, a developed city. So many things have excavated from there. He, in his writings, I noted that he told our the roads of Indus Valley were automatically cleaned by wind. The reason is that the Vishwakarmas are the creators of the civilization, Indus Valley civilization, also the Mesopotamian civilization, and other world civilizations are founded by the Vishwakarmas. The reason is that the Mayan civilization in Mexico is similar to our civilization. Most respected Anand Bose sir was once the director of the Delhi National Museum. There we see the relics of the Indus Valley. It gives us most informative details of that civilization. In the entrance of the Indus Valley city, the residents were goldsmiths. People are goldsmiths. The goldsmiths are considered, goldsmith and other community people are considered the 4 disciples, Manu, Maya, Toshta, Shilpi and Vishwajna, 5 disciples of God Vishwakarma. God Vishwakarma, his position is above the Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. He created the Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, the main gods of Hindu mythology, according to Hindu mythology. But sometimes, I think some historians or early writers ignored Vishwakarma culture. They only represented Vishwakarma as merely a god of thousands among one. But he is not merely a god. He is the created or Virat Purusha. In so many Vedic texts, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvaveda and the ancient history of Mahabharata, ancient texts Mahabharata and Ramayana, the history of Vishwakarmas are noted there. The Rama Setu was wanted by Vishwakarmas for escaping Rama's wife from Sri Lanka, Dwaraka for Sri Krishna, Indraprastha for the Pandavas, Lanka for Ravana. This type of great works were done by the Vishwakarmas. According to Chadurvarnya, you have mentioned about Chadurvarnya. Chadurvarnya, I think it is not a caste distinction. It is not caste distinction. According to Max Muller, he defined the Chadurvarnya as the 4 orders of the society were created by me according to their inborn qualities and opposing corresponding duties. The Chadurvarnya is another thing. Its representation is not merely on caste basis. It's a great principle. According to inborn qualities, we have the Vishwakarma community people having the inborn quality of engineering, architectural skills in their genes and blood. That is why we are making the great construction of the building of the universally accepted constructions, in Angkor Wat, Cambodia, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, Tanjavur Brihadeeswara Temple, Ajanta Ellora Caves, Konark Temple. So many marvelous architectural buildings are made by the Vishwakarma community. Yesterday, the pujan of the Rama Janmabhoomi was conducted by the Prime Minister. Along with him, the Shilpi from Vishwakarma community, along with the wife, has participated in that important session of the Bhumi Pujan of Rama Janmabhoomi. The Patel statue was built by a Vishwakarma. Great personalities were born in Vishwakarma communities. In Kanyakumari, the Vivekananda Rock Memorial, the statue of Vivekananda was built by Vishwakarma architecture. This type of inborn qualities are having inborn qualities in the genes of Vishwakarma. But the problem is that the governments, during this democratic time, or the government is neglecting the Vishwakarma community. We are facing utter negligence from the part of the governments in all times. The reason is that due to the entry of the globalization of the entry of the corporates, we lost our jobs. In gold, especially in gold sector, I know the details. 5 or 6 large scale corporators were in the field of gold business. They are conducting huge quantities of business. Lakhs of crores rupees they are making as profits. The governments are once I noted that the corporate tax was introduced to safeguard the interest of the jobless craftsmen. There is, I think, it is also funds in the custody of the government, but the craftsmen are still in a poverty stage. They have no houses. They have no funds to meet the education of their children. They have no better living standard. All these type of living standards are made by the rulers of this country. In Kerala, especially in Kerala, all the politics is divided into caste based. 2 communities and 2 religions are only considered. Due to that reason, we are not getting any importance on the part of government. Recently, the Padmanabha Swami temple, the Supreme Court has issued a verdict in that case, and the Supreme Court directed to constitute a 8-member committee. I want the government or the rulers of the Travancore, when you are constituting a committee of the temple administration, you please include a Vishwakarma man to that community. The reason is that the Vishwakarma Shilpis of our forefathers were built that marvelous temple, and the ornaments, diamond and gold jewelry of that temple. This is same thing Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam and all other temples in this nation is giving crores of temples and marvelous monuments, give this nation crores of rupees from foreign people. They are visiting there. But why the government do not giving any safeguard or protection to these people, the artisan people? We are utter negligent. We are facing utter negligence from everybody. Recently, after the COVID-19 situation, the Prime Minister had introduced 20 lakh rupees fund for the surviving people. But the attitude of the bank authorities is not good. They never accept any application from the poor people. So, how to manage this problem? The problem is that our government is spending crores of rupees in the field of Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Program. It is a wasting of funds. It is a true fact. The government is wasting fact. India is an agriculture country. 70% of our country is depending on agriculture sector. Why our education system is converted to agri-based? Our technology is to be implemented in that field, modern technology to introduce in that field. They are not interested in this. This program, they are cleaning the roadside and destroying all the medicinal plants nearby places. That is the work they are doing. Is the government employing these people to the paddy fields or other places of sector of agriculture? They will get employment, and if our government, our nation will progress, gradually we will progress. I heard that in Japan, each and every house is a small scale industry unit. In Israel, like that. In Switzerland, so many places of the world, each houses are the place of making articles, electronic items such as other items. In India, why the government do not considering the Vishwakarma peoples, the inborn quality? They are having the inborn quality of technologies in their blood. Why the government do not consider these people? My suggestion is that the government should constitute a Vishwakarma Commission